Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're talking about a big change in the Formula One world, Aston Martin's new F1 team boss, Andy Cowell. You might know him from his years at Mercedes, where he helped lead one of the most successful teams in F1 history. But what does this mean for Aston Martin and their ambitious goals in the sport? Let's dive into it. Andy Cowell is no stranger to Formula One fans. Born in the UK, Cowell has a mechanical engineering background and started his career at the age of 16 working on motorcycles. But it was in F1 where he truly made his name. He joined Mercedes in 2004 and over the years became an integral part of their power unit division. By 2014, Cowell was promoted to the role of managing director at Mercedes High Performance Powertrains, where he played a major role in the development of their championship-winning hybrid engine. His work at Mercedes was key to the team's dominance in the hybrid era. With his leadership, Mercedes won 7 consecutive drivers and constructors championships from 2014 to 2020, making them one of the most successful teams in F1 history. Cowell's engineering expertise and ability to innovate made him one of the most respected figures in the paddock. Now, Aston Martin is tapping into that vast experience and engineering excellence. In 2025, Andy Cowell will be taking over as the team principal of Aston Martin F1, which is huge news for the team's future in Formula One. With Cowell's reputation for developing cutting-edge power units, this could be the turning point for Aston Martin's push for competitiveness at the top. Aston Martin has made significant progress in recent years under the leadership of Lawrence Stroll, but the team still has a lot to prove on the global stage. Cowell's deep understanding of engine technology and the intricate nature of F1 car development will be key to pushing Aston Martin closer to the front of the grid. So, what can we expect from Cowell at Aston Martin? Well, the team's vision is clear. They want to become a consistent force in Formula One. With Andy Cowell leading the charge, they're likely to strengthen their engine department and push for more performance from their power units. Cowell's focus on innovation and pushing the limits of technology could mean we see some exciting developments in the future. Additionally, Cowell is known for his no-nonsense approach to leadership, which could help streamline the team's operations and focus their efforts on winning. His experience in a top-tier team like Mercedes will bring valuable insights into how to compete against the likes of Ferrari, Red Bull, and other established teams. To wrap things up, Andy Cowell's appointment as Aston Martin's F1 team boss is a huge step forward for the team. With his wealth of experience, technical knowledge, and leadership skills, he's the perfect person to help Aston Martin realize their potential and take their performance to the next level. It'll be interesting to see how quickly the team can adapt and benefit from Cowell's expertise. If they can use his insight to improve both their car and their strategy, we might just see Aston Martin make a real challenge for the top spots in the coming years. What do you think about this appointment? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more F1 updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.